Hello everyone and welcome back. Roman from Pickup Cloud. In this video, we'll look at the fifth question of the series of 300 questions. So, let's go! A very important aspect of the AWS or any other exam is time. Therefore, you have to be able to easily identify the most important words in the sentence and mark the correct answer by the keyword. Let me show you how. Let's go sentence by sentence and highlight the most important words. In the first sentence, important words are infrastructure as a code and AWS as a cloud. So let's highlight them. The second sentence does not provide us with any additional information that could help us to make better decisions, so I don't highlight any words. Based on the highlighted words, we need to find an AWS service with whose help we'll be able to create infrastructure as a code. So let's check all the options and find the correct answer. Option A, Amazon VPC, is a virtual private cloud service that allows you to create a logically isolated network within the AWS cloud. While it is an essential networking service, it is not directly used for infrastructure as a code purpose, so this is not the correct option. Let's check the option B. Amazon CloudWatch is a monitoring and observability service that allows you to collect and track metrics, collect and monitor log files, and set alarms to get notified about specific event in your AWS resources. It is useful for monitoring and managing an infrastructure, but it is not primarily used for infrastructure as a code purpose, so this option is not correct as well. Let's check the option C. AWS CloudFormation is a service provided by AWS that allows you to model and set up your AWS resources using templates. These templates describe the AWS resources you want to create, such as Amazon EC2 instances, Amazon RDS database instances, Amazon S3 bucket, and so on and so on. CloudFormation then takes care of provisioning and configuring those resources for you based on the template. It follows the concept of infrastructure as a code, where infrastructure provisioning is treated with the same rigor as application code development. Using AWS CloudFormation, you can define your infrastructure in a declarative way, store it in a version control system like AWS Code Commit, and manage the entire lifecycle of your infrastructure stack. It offers a reliable and repeatable way to create and manage AWS resources, making it an essential tool for creating infrastructure as a code in the AWS cloud. We can clearly say that option C is the correct option. Even though we already found the correct option, let's examine the last option, option D. AWS Cloud Dial is a service that enables governance, compliance, operational auditing, and risk auditing of your AWS account. It records API calls made in your account and delivers log files containing those calls to an AWS S3 bucket you specify. While important for auditing and compliance purposes, it is not directly related to creating infrastructure as a code, so this option is not correct. To create infrastructure as a code in AWS Cloud, the company should use AWS CloudFormation, option C. It provides the necessary capabilities to model, provision, and manage AWS resourcing using templates, and follows the principle of infrastructure as a code to ensure consistent and reliable infrastructure provisioning. Thank you for your time, and see you soon. Bye!